Hey, this your boy Tijan, and today I'm going to show you how to add reverb and delay onto your chorus or verse to give it that flavor. Let's get into it. Okay, so currently I have a track already set up. We have a reference vocal on here. It's yours truly, so let's give it a listen.
Yo, this is how it go. This is how it go in the studio.
All right. Now we have a reverb and delay aux as well. So first thing I would do is put on a reverb. Let's go to our verb. In our I/O settings, we already have this routed. In a later video, I'll show you that. But this vocal track here is going through our chorus, bus 1 and 2. So what I'll do is go to our chorus, our send, buses, and then add the reverb. As you can see, a meter popped up for that reverb channel. Let's give it a listen and adjust.
Yo, this is how it go. This is how it go in the studio. Yo, this is how it go. This is how it go in the studio.
As you can see, the reverb is getting sent into the chorus track and we can adjust it accordingly.
Yo, this is how it go. This is how it go in the studio.
Sounds pretty cool. Next, we'll go to the delay, and this is routed as well in our I/O settings. I like to use an Echo Boy. Okay. Now, let's route this the same way in our sends on our chorus track. Buses, delay, and as well a meter popped up for that delay. Let's give it a listen. And sometimes what I like to do is put the mix all the way to wet. All right, let's adjust our delay time to half or quarter note. Let's give it a listen.
Yo, this is how it go. This is how it go in the studio. Yo, this is how it go. This is how it go in the studio.
As you can hear, the delay sounds pretty cool.
Yo, this is how it go. This is how it go in the studio.
And that is how you add reverb and delay onto your aux tracks to give your sound more flavor. Thank you.